Okay, so we are going to record some metal in Garageband, you might say. The first thing you want to do is go into your amps, pick out a distorted sound, and flip to that Marshall-y looking amp simulator. We want to take the phaser off the pedal board and replace it with a treble booster. Switch it from full to treble, maybe turn the level up a little bit depending on how hot your pickups are. EQ to taste. I think we're ready to record our first track. Okay, so after you've recorded something, you should be able to click on that track icon at the top to get your tracks. Click on the track you just recorded and duplicate it. So you'll have an identical track with identical settings. There's that duplicate button. You just tap on the half stack or whatever. You go into your settings up top. That's the blue one. And we're going to stereo pan our tracks. So we take one and stereo pan it all the way to the left. And then we're going to go into our other track and stereo pan it all the way to the right. And we're going to wind up recording our riff again. We're going to play it again. We're not going to copy paste it. You have to play it again. And this is called double tracking. It is the magic of metal. It's really the only, in my opinion, good way to get a good metal guitar sound is to double track the guitars. And it also needs a bass. I mean, in my personal opinion, metal guitar sounds pretty wimpy without any subs underneath it. So we just, I like for bass, especially for metal, for most things really, I like the DI box setting. I turn up the boost, I set the tone to 2. You may have to turn that tone button on, but that's pretty much it. So we can go ahead and finish tracking. Alright, that's my instructions, everyone. Have fun making some metal. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and special thanks to Fractal Goblins for letting me borrow their guitar and bass. If anybody cares, it's a Mexican Telecaster with a DiMarzio Area T Hot in the bridge, and it's a Cort bass with an American P-bass pickup. Guest appearances by JoJo, Selkie, and Puka, who love to mosh. See you guys.